Yuasa are one of the biggest battery manufacturers in the world and basically supply the automotive industry and the industrial industry with batteries. Coming into this new building, we was looking to maximise storage capacity. That's why we chose Radio Shuttle and Toyota. This particular warehouse that we have here in Swindon, we supply batteries to all over the UK, quite a lot of Europe as well. It can store 900,000 batteries at any one time. We can ship at least 50,000 batteries a day. It's a lot of batteries. The batteries arrive at the warehouse. Batteries are then checked with voltage meters, delivered to the collection boxes, and then put away into the dense storage racking with the AGVs and the radio shuttles. AGV will come and collect the pallet and drop down to the required picking tunnel. The picking tunnels are very unique to the way we work. Working with the AGVs and the radio shuttles, it allows the pallets to come to the pickers. Pickers will come along, pick the required batteries. Once that order is completed, the pallet will be delivered to the check-in area and shipped out to the customers. With the Toyota radio shuttles and the AGVs, we've managed to store so many more batteries than we've ever been able to store before. They've increased the amount of work we can put out daily. So it's increased productivity massively, I would say. So I'd definitely recommend Toyota and Radio Shuttle. It's been a massive benefit to the company, and we're able to supply our customers and meet their demands on a daily basis.